Bhim Kund Waterfalls in Keonjhar District of Odisha has been a popular weekend tourist destination. A 55-kilometer drive from Keonjhar town through the Keonjhar Ghatgaon highway will take you there. For Bhim Kund, one has to take a left turn at Dhenkikot. Here parking fee is 50 rupees and entry fee is 10 rupees. We climb up the newly constructed watchtower from where we get the bird's eye view of the fall. Bhim Kund is located on the Boitaroni River, which is bound with a spectacular natural environment having lush green forest. Huge roaring sound of the waterfall makes the place most interesting among tourists. In comparison to Adirapilli or Chitrakoot Falls, Bhim Kund is quite small and thin with lesser volume of water and force. Nevertheless, every place has its own beauty. However, this rain-fed fall loses its glamour in summer. Local people gather here during annual celebration of Makar Sankranti in large numbers. People believe that Pandavas stayed here for some time during their religious expedition.